Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkin and you're watching daily financial news from InstaForexx. Let's take a look at the most important economic events for today, the 4th of June. Australia's economy grew at the fastest pace in the past 2 years, and it was mainly due to greater resources exports. Shipments of iron ore rose sharply, partly due to good weather conditions. On a quarterly basis, the Australian economic growth was 1.1% versus expectations for a 0.9% increase. Meanwhile, the country's GDP rose by 3.5% from the previous quarter, thus managing to rise to the long-term average. Investments in housing that increased by 4.7% contributed mostly to the overall GDP growth. The Australian construction sector also expanded. Since the beginning of the year, the country has produced many strong macroeconomic reports that convinced economists that the crisis has been finally overcome. However, the key mining sector is likely to continue declining. After the release of the unexpectedly strong data, the Australian dollar grew at a moderate pace. Quoted against the US dollar, the Aussie rose just 0.02% to 92.65 cents. Despite faster growth, the Australian economy remains fragile. Additional risks create a decline in world prices of natural resources, including iron ore prices, and they keep the Australian dollar at record highs. And this was the latest financial news from InstaForexx. Stay tuned.